Alright, found Natasha and Noah.
Woohoo! No day!
Look at this. This is incredible. This is the corner of Lakeshore Drive. Huh?
I say keep the camera rolling.
It is rolling. Corner of South Shore Drive and 68. That's the golf course over there, because you can't see anything.
Oh, come on, run. We got a camera rolling.
This is 2011. Y'all should go get the buses now. That shit's gonna be crazy.
Oh, really?
3 buses, some cars stuck in the middle of the street.
Thank you, thank
Been
you.
at 3 o'clock yesterday, y'all.
Woo! What? Oh my goodness. 3 CTA buses stuck on,
Mound right there is the car.
and stuck on South
To the right.
South Shore overnight. Oh my goodness. There's a car under that big mound right there, and look at this.
Look at how deep that is. It's not insane.
3, well, no.
Look.
What? Well, actually it was 2 buses. Just stuck. Inside the bus.
Look at all this ice.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you? This is crazy, isn't it?
Is this something? How can you take a picture?
Wow. Look at this car.
I'm king of the world.
Wipe the windows off, make sure ain't nobody in there. Inside the bus. Hold on. Ooh.
This is ridiculous.
This is crazy. There's Natasha on the outside. This is the bus that's stuck on South Shore Drive. Y'all look around for loose money.
Nobody leaving money on the bus.
Well, they didn't leave it. They can drop it.
Hey, there's a truck trying to get down the street.
Now?
Yes.
Idiot.
Give up. Go the other way. My friend found an iPhone on the
Oh, really?
Get the jackpot.
This is crazy.
drivers and stuff.
Huh? Okay, here's the other bus that's stuck.
Look at these cars right here. And look at that truck in the distance trying to get through.
Another bus.
Did we close the door on the other one?
Yeah, I close it. This is crazy. Just checking.
We should make a website, ifoundabus.com.
Right.
I was telling Tasha, we should, if it gets too bad, seek refuge in the bus.
Another bus stranded on South Shore Drive. Me blowing the horn in front of the bus. Oh my goodness.
Look at these cars. I mean, like, literally pulled out somewhere, got stuck, almost hit, and just said, F it.
Can you, which way did that guy go? Follow his footsteps. Did he go over there?
Almost covered now, and I think the truck managed to back down the street.
It's a couple of more buses over there?
Yeah.
There's a couple more buses over there?
Yes, and there was a truck trying to come through. That's what I was trying to tell you.
No one is in that car, is it? No, I doubt it. Bus number 3, bus number 4.
And the Nook of the North coming through the blizzard. Make a big roar sound. We can say you're a Yeti. Yes, I am number 4.
How's it going?
Pretty good. I just had to see it.
Huh?
I had to get my workout in. I had to see it up close.
How
What is
did?
that truck doing? Are they plowing?
PGA plow.
Oh, the CTA plow?
Here's something.
This is crazy. We actually walked on those buses. It's like, oh my, the doors are cracked. I was like, wow, this is crazy. From my understanding, this is the CTA plow over here. See it? I just want to see that plow. So what do they do? Get off the bus and just walk from here?
They send rescue vehicles when the buses are stuck. If somebody lives close, they probably did walk. But I imagine that, just like on Lakeshore Drive, they had to send a Humvee or something else to make those kind of tracks.
Yeah, because I know the first bus didn't get stuck. They sent another bus, it got stuck, and they sent another bus, and now they got 4 on the street. Your what? Your feet getting cold? Come on, just head back then. So you won't catch no pneumonia. I wish we had some snowmobiles. Drive up to the lake.
I know. We got all the way to the corner and the wind was insane.
Yeah, coming out that water.
I was running 30 miles an hour.
The wind carried him most of the way.
We didn't find any treasures on the bus.
I'm surprised you didn't find anybody sleeping on the bus.
Yeah, I was.
I mean, there are a lot of homeless people in this neighborhood.
What people?
There was some people in the middle of the street on 68th Street when we started walking.
Oh, I didn't see him. I didn't see him. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it?
Wow.
That guy said, I gotta leave.
This is nuts.